What if I told you that the next APS-C camera might not feel like an APS-C at all? What if it delivers speed that rivals flagship sports bodies, resolution that pushes creative limits, and video power that steps right into high-end cinema territory? The Canon EOS R7 Mark II is already creating massive shockwaves in the industry, and for good reason. This is not just a simple iteration or a lazy mid-cycle refresh. It looks like Canon is preparing to completely rewrite the rules of what a crop sensor can do. For years, let's be honest, APS-C was the practical compromise. It was lighter. It was cheaper. Professionals treated them as secondary backup bodies, and enthusiasts loved them for travel. But they were rarely, if ever, called performance monsters. That era is officially over. Based on major manufacturing leaks and upcoming release filings, the R7 Mark II is shaping up to be a pure, performance-focused hybrid. A camera designed to unseat entry-level full-frame models by outpacing and outspec-ing them in pure responsiveness. It all starts at the core, the sensor. The original R7 gave us a respectable 32 megapixels. Crisp, but traditional. The Mark II? It's rumored to leap forward to a brand new 39 to 40 megapixel stacked BSI CMOS sensor. Now, if you're a tech nerd, you know a stacked design changes everything. By building the memory layers directly onto the silicon, data reads out almost instantly. For sports and wildlife shooters, this is the holy grail. It effectively eliminates rolling shutter distortion. You know that ugly, warped look when you pan fast across a stadium or track a bird in flight. Gone. You can finally fire off silent, electronic bursts at an estimated 40 frames per second with complete confidence that your lines stay perfectly straight and natural. And let's talk about putting 40 megapixels on a crop sensor. This gives wildlife and aviation photographers a massive mechanical advantage. You're getting an automatic 1.6x crop factor from your glass, plus the real estate to crop in even further in post-production without turning your image into mush. It effectively turns your 400mm lens into a lethal 640mm equivalent. But how do you process that massive tidal wave of data? Canon is reportedly packing a dual processor array here, the standard DIGIC X paired with a dedicated AI accelerator chip, similar to what we see in the flagship R1. This isn't just about fast autofocus. It's about predictive tracking. The camera won't just look for eyes and faces, it will calculate a subject's trajectory through crowded fields, branches, and chaotic foregrounds before the movement even happens. What we are seeing here isn't a safe corporate upgrade. The Canon EOS R7 Mark II looks like a bold declaration of war on the mid-tier camera market. It's proof that top-tier performance shouldn't just belong to full-frame budgets. And the crazy part? We are only getting started. Let me know in the comments. Is this enough to make you dump full frame? Catch you in the next one.